In a plantation house, a family celebrates the 65th birthday of Big Daddy. The mood, however, is somber, despite festivities, because a number of evils poison the gaiety. Greed, sins of the past, and the desperate clawing hopes for the future.
You know, I sometimes suspect Big Daddy harbors an unconscious witch for me.
The Bowie Playhouse has been offering live theater since the late 1970s for the Bowie area community. It is a state-of-the-art professional theater run by the city of Bowie and home to 3 resident theater companies. The Playhouse is located inside White Marsh Park off Route 3, south of Route 450, and north of Highway 50.
Leave it! Leave it! Christ!
Christ is right.
Big Daddy, give me my crutch. Give me my crutch, Big Daddy.
A special performance was added in celebration of PGLT's 50th anniversary. Come on out on Thursday, October 22nd.